This also goes on the list of unrecommended repairs. Found this wrench broken in the trash. This tooth is broken off, and most of you can tell what I've done here. I basically just grinded it down and welded it back on. I did a tack weld here, went to the other side, ground the groove down, and then filled it in, and did the same over here. Ground this weld back off, and then grind down a groove. Yeah, so the first thing you have to do is clean off your pieces, get rid of the rust. Then after you've done that, you'll go ahead and put them together and clamp them down. After you've done that, you'll go ahead and tack down that one side. Then you'll come back down and grind down the other side so you have a little groove here to fill in. Once you fill that groove in, you'll come back to the side, grind your tack off, and you'll go ahead and weld that back on. Then you'll hit it with the wire wheel, get it all clean after you've ground everything down. After you've done that, I hit it with some 220 grit sandpaper to get it all smooth and get rid of a lot of the roughness, and that's it. And again, same goes with pretty much everything else I've done here. Can't guarantee this one. This will more than likely break again if you were to use it up to its maximum tolerance, but I'd say it's good for at least 60% of its strength. Maybe. I don't know. We'll find out eventually. I stress tested it a little bit. But yeah, like I said, not bad for a wrench I found on the garbage. Surprised I found the tooth with it, but yeah. Otherwise, I would highly recommend going to Harbor Freight and replacing it with like a $15 Crescent. You'll get a much better wrench out of it versus one that's, been welded and repaired.